But I think it's because it's a silver lever, it won't work. I think any other shortcut lever would, but not the silver one. There's no way this works. Okay, yeah, so I think either because it's a door or because of the silver. I mean, maybe we're not even reaching it, but yeah, even with that, like, discovery, I'm not sure if I'm willing to go through with this. At least right now, I'm getting tired of either just in general or the game. I mean, at least we found a place that we can farm points into, so that's cool, I guess.